Hello, I'm in a 2015 Chevy Trax, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So first, from the driver's side, we'll go down. You should see a release lever here that will pull. That pop, if you could hear it, was the safety releasing. If there's no tension at all in this, you might need to check behind this plastic to make sure all the cables are properly connected. But we'll go up to the front. And then you should feel the hood slightly loose now. And here there's a lever, so we're going to push and lift. So push and lift. Try to see if I can do this with one hand, but this arm you can use to hold the hood up. Sorry for the bad camera work, but I'll move this later, but this arm normally goes in here. And this is what that lever looked like. So I was pushing this. Just make sure nothing's bent, no debris stuck in here that needs cleaned up. Maybe spray some WD-40 to loosen this more if needed. And up top, this is where it hooked onto. Make sure again nothing's broken or bent, and double check your hood's in proper alignment also. So if this closes crooked, that could cause you issues. But I hope this is helpful, and I wish you the best with your vehicle for whatever reason opening this hood.